Hello friends, today again I will be discussing another topic in C, which is strings. Now what is string? Last time I did array. String is similar to array, but it contains only characters. In array, integer it can be there, it can be array of character can also be called strings. Okay, array can be of integer, double, any data type. Array of characters, this is called string. Instead of writing an array notation like this, I can just give a star C. It means C is a pointer to character. After that I can do like this. It will be having the same effect. Okay. Only thing, I cannot change the content of this. See, after that I can access this Asia through C, but I cannot. Asia will be depicted in through C. I can access Asia, but I cannot change the content. Change the content of the memory location where Asia is written. Okay, it becomes a constant. If I try to make this E, it will not be possible. It will give, operating system will give a segmentation fault. Okay, because these are treated as a constant. And how this Asia is represented in memory? A, S, I, A, after that a null character. This is called a null character. I will never give this null character, but it will automatically be given as the last character as null. Okay. Okay, here also is the same thing. It will not contain 4 character, 0, 1, 2, 3. It should have been this, but no, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one, it is a V5. Suffix of this will be V5, and V is a constant pointer. Suppose V plus plus or V equal to V plus 1. I cannot do that because V is pointer. V points to the location where Asia is kept. A of Asia is kept. Okay, I cannot change, and this is called a null character. Okay. Okay, now try it with some example. Now this, first execute this. Okay, enter value. P is a character pointer. P will be pointing to this string, the first character of this string. This string will be put in a memory location. How many memory location will be used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is for a null character. Okay, character is only 1 byte, so 12 byte memory will be allocated, and P will be pointing to the first byte. Okay, now enter value. Suppose in this array I want to enter some value. I have to, its ARR is only 6 byte, so 6 minus 1, last character will be null. So 6 minus 1 can only be entered, since the last character is a null. So 6 minus 1 is 5. I can only enter 5 characters. So let's enter. we entered 4 only. So what this while loop is doing, till it finds a null character, it will going to print one character each. Count, first count is 0, 0 is A, it printed, we typed Asia, it print Asia, A. After that count is incremented, again it is not null because it contain S. First ARR count point to this, A is printed, after that it points to this, S is not equal to null, so again S is printed, after that it points to I is also not equal to null, so I is also printed, after that it is going to A is also null, null is printed, A is printed, after that it is null, not equal to null, not satisfied, it will come out. Okay, this will take the output to the next line. P1, what is P1? P1 is a character to a pointer here. Okay, so P1 equal to P, and what is P? P points to this string. So we are assigning P1 to P. Okay, so P to P1. After that we are printing the same thing with Asia Europe. Asia Europe, last will be till a null is found. P, here see we are incrementing the P, here I was incrementing the count value. Array notation, by array notation I was accessing, here I am accessing by incrementing the P. Okay, since P here is not a constant. Okay, but this array variable name is a variable name which points to the first byte of that array, and it is a constant. You cannot do plus plus ARR equal to ARR plus 1 or ARR plus plus, but P here is a character pointer. I can do plus plus, I can increment the value of P. P will point to the last element. Okay, now see it is written, let us suppose P1 let us suppose we, this is a commenting was done. So let me take out the commenting. So see P1 I can assign to ARR. Array will point to the first byte of this, ARR point to the first byte of this array. First byte can also be pointed by P1. If I assign the value of ARR to P1, which is nothing but a character pointer, P1 will also be pointing to the first byte of the array ARR. Okay, that is why compilation works fine. Okay, see, even if I execution, okay, compilation execution is working, but here things, but can we assign ARR to some other variable? Let us see. Error, expression with array type, it is an error, wrong. We cannot, because ARR is a constant, we cannot assign it some other value, other pointer. It will only point to this memory location, it will never point to some other memory location. If we try to do that, that will be wrong. Okay. Now in string there are few library function. The most commonly used is starlen star copy, this is copy, this is star len. Star len means the length of the string will be given here. Star copy will going to copy one string to another. Star cat will concatenate one string by another. Star comp will going to compare two string. Star comp will return 0 if both the strings are same. It will not return 0, but a number it will going to return if both strings are not same. Okay. How to use those library function? To do that, you need to include this, include string.h. Okay. After that, let's execute this program. What is happening here? P same thing as Europe, then P1 ARR 60 and the array of 60 length, string length. This is I am just printing it. P, it gives the content of, if I output P like this with S, I will be getting the whole string at once. Previously also I was getting that thing, but in that case I was printing star P and character by character I was just printing till I find the null character. P will go on incrementing till I find a null character. I am printing character by character. Here I am not doing that. Here I am directly doing %s and giving the pointer. Printf will going to point till it finds a null character. After Europe only null character is there, so it printed till Europe. After that star len P, star len will give the total character in there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay. Now I have declared another array ARR 60. Okay. I am just using star copy. Star copy will do what? It will copy P to ARR. See, P to ARR it just copied. After that I printed ARR only. Array string also can be array of characters can also be printed by %s ARR. Okay. Asia Europe directly printed. Length is also the same because the content is same, so length is also same 11. So star copy content of P is printed to content of to ARR. Okay. After that comes star cat. Star cat is concatenate. Already ARR content Asia Europe, to that thing again Asia Europe will be concatenated because it is a concatenation. So now if I print ARR after executing this, twice it will write Asia Europe and length will be also 22. Previously 11, now 22. Okay. Now I will going to use star comp. Star comp is compare. Okay. Star comp return 0 if P, the content of P is same as Asia Europe, it will return 0. Yes, P is Asia Europe and P Asia Europe, it returns 0. But ARR is not Asia Europe. ARR I compared with Asia Europe, it is not the same because ARR is this is Asia Europe another Asia Europe. So it's not the same. And why this value 65? Because ARR contain Asia Europe, after that is A. ASCII value of A is 65, okay, and ASCII value of null character which I have shown, this is a null character, and ASCII value of null character is 0, and ASCII value of character A is 65. So here I compared array, the content of array is this and this. So till Asia Europe things matched, after that first mismatch is Asia, this A is here, and mismatch with null character Asia Europe, after that a null character will be there, because by default it is being put by the C compiler. The moment Asia Europe I do, a null character will be put. So here is Asia Europe, then null character, but here in ARR is Asia Europe, after that A character. So ASCII value of A is 65, ASCII value of null character is 0. So 65 minus 0 is 65. So I got 65 here. So if it is not 0, star camp return, it means things haven't matched. Okay. Now see this example. First one, suppose this I commented because this is more of explaining. See, P Asia Europe, P is a character pointer, star P equal to Q means I am just star P will point to the memory location where Asia Europe is written. Star P equal to Q means A will be just changed to Q. But can I do that thing in practical here? Let's see. It got compiled, okay, without any issue, but can I execute it? No, segmentation fault. Why? Because the operating system will make this thing a constant and you cannot change the memory location here. Operating system will not allow you to change it A to Q. That's why segmentation fault got down. Okay, now comment this line. Let's see things execute or not, execute and run or not. See, things executed without any error. So you cannot do this in Linux. Even the compiler haven't stopped you, but you cannot do this. Let's see another example. This here, if I declare constant char star P Asia Euro, after that I try to star P Q, if I try to assign Q to Asia. can I do this? Here this also wrong, here I did the same, but here the operating system stopped it, but here the compiler itself will stop you. Why? Because constant, the moment I give a constant here, compiler will treat this as a constant. Here the operating system is stopping you, but here the compiler will stop you. Let's try to compile it. See, line number 9 wrong. Okay, but this is right, this don't have any issue. I can do it because p is not a constant, because the pointer is not a constant here. This memory location cannot be changed. This string is a constant. Okay. Here also the same thing. If I give a constant here or here, doesn't make a difference. It will treat this Asia Europe as a constant. Here also, instead of the constant before char, I gave constant after char. Result is the same. Asia Europe will be treated as a constant memory location. It cannot be changed. It is a constant string, but p is not a constant pointer. It can be changed. So wrong is here. Okay. Okay, now what? Char star constant p equal to Asia Europe. Here this string will not be a constant, even though the operating system may stop it from being reassigned to q, but compiler will not treat this string as a constant, but p is a constant. So p equal to America will not be right, because p is a constant. The value of p cannot change to different thing. So p will America, this will never run. Okay, this will never compile. P America is wrong. Even if I comment it out, it will be segmentation fault. Why? Because the operating system makes this thing Asia Europe as a memory location of this Asia Europe cannot be modified. I try to modify that, segmentation fault. Okay. In this case, both pointer and the string are made constant. So if I try to compile it, both will be wrong. First time this has given it to be wrong. If I neither p can be assigned to America nor q can be modified. If I try to, it will give q as wrong. Both are given wrong. See, both are given wrong. Here q, this also can be done, this also can be done. Okay. Okay, so that's all for string. If you like this video, please subscribe it